Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I'm on this app, Checkpoints. If you're interested in signing up, which I highly recommend you do, the link to it is in the description. I'm going to cash out at the end of this video, but I'm going to show you real quick how I make money with this app. And really all I do is two different things. I scan receipts. Any receipt that you get, just scan it. You get 20 points for every one of them. Very easy way to make money with it. But most of my points come from scanning barcodes. So I'm going to click on scan barcodes, and it'll show you the stores that are closest to you in the area. So let's say, for instance, I go to the Sam's Club. If I find any one of these products, I just scan it. I get 25 points. I don't have to buy it. All I gotta do is scan it. Sometimes it'll have like a little ad pop up about the product, but you can always just exit out of it. But like I said, 25 points for each product. If I go back, let's say I go to this Walmart here. If I find any one of these products, if I find these ice cream bars, 25 points. Just scan the barcode. That's all you have to do. You do not have to purchase the product. Just scan it. Easy points. All right. You can just just go around, find the stores that are in your area, go into that store, finding the product, scanning the points, bam. You know what I'm saying? Take off the shelf, scan the barcode, get your points, put it back on the shelf, and just scan all the barcodes that you have for that particular store. It's an easy way to make money when you combine it with getting paid for receipts. I mean, your money really adds up really fast with this app. All right. So I'm gonna show you real quick how you can cash out and make money with it. You see here they have PayPal. They have Walmart, they have Amazon, Target, a few different gift cards that you can get. And the really cool thing about this app is that they pay instantly. And I will show you the payment proof at the end of this video. So for me in particular, for this, you see here, I don't know if I showed you my balance. I have 2,936 points. All you need is 2,500 points to get a $5 PayPal. So I'm gonna click on that. And by the way, this app is for Android and iPhone. It does not matter which one you have. You can put it on your tablet. Doesn't matter. You can still use the app, Android and iPhone, whatever it is. You don't have to have anything particular to get this app. So all I gotta do is click on redeem. I'm going to do that, and my phone number and address. I think my phone number will pop up on this. So yeah, my phone number pops up. But all it is click and send me my reward, and you see there. It says your $5 PayPal cash is on its way. Please allow up to 14 days. But like I said, it pays instantly. I don't know why it says 14 days. So I'm going to show you that proof real quick. You see here at the top, the time is 9:43 p.m. So I'm going to go into my email real quick and just show you that I got paid by it instantly. I'm going to refresh my email. And I know it's coming very soon. Just gotta give it like a couple minutes, maybe. There it is right there. So I'm gonna click on that. You see there, it's 9:44. $5 PayPal, Checkpoints, instant payment, y'all. Instant payment. So that's undeniable proof that this app pays. And like I said, you can get it on Android, iPhone. Doesn't matter what phone you have. All you're doing is getting paid to scan products. It is very easy, and you see here it pays you. And not only does it pay you, it pays you instantly. All right, so you cannot beat that. If the app is going to pay you instantly, I highly recommend you use it because you don't have to wait days to get your money. Very, very easy to do. So all you got to do is go into the stores, scan the product. You don't even have to buy it. Just scan the product, scan the barcode, get your points, and move on to the next product and move on to the next store. Scan receipts and just watch your money pile up. It's an easy way to get $5, even more. It just depends on how many points you have. So it's up to you. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. You can sign up, download it today, start making this free money, and always remember, every penny counts.